The majority of tools today do not come with clean connection points for tool tethering. Life would be much easier if all tools were built like this adjustable wrench. For those tools that aren't built like that, Squid's tool connectors give you a manageable way to safely tether your tools. To apply Squid's cold shrink traps, you'll need the appropriate tool tail and the appropriate size shrink trap. Before application, know and document the anatomy of your tool by weighing it and measuring the diameter. Consult the connectors table in the product instructions or online to determine the tail and the appropriate size cold shrink trap to apply. Make sure the surface of the tool is clean and dry before application. For the socket wrench, I'm using the 3713 swiveling tool tail and the 3723 shrink trap. To apply the tool tail, choke the elastic end around the handle of the tool and cinch the barrel lock down tight. Lay the tail down and make sure the entire surface of the shrink trap will shrink down onto the tool. The cold shrink's inner core should route up through the core and extend out away from the choked end of the tool. Position the shrink trap over the tool above the choked portion of the tail. Keeping the trap positioned with one hand, unwrap and pull the inner core up through itself using a counterclockwise churning motion. Once the trap begins to shrink onto the tool, you can remove your other hand. Continue removing the core, making sure it shrinks down without bunching up or sliding around. Remove the entire core and discard. To remove the shrink trap, use the appropriate personal protective equipment and simply cut it off using a cutting tool. Notice no adhesives and no mess. To remove the tail, slide the barrel lock up and pull the tail off of the end of the tool. For this hammer, I'm using the 3703 elastic tool tail and the 3724 cold shrink trap. Complete the same steps to apply the trap to the hammer. Position the larger 4-inch piece over the handle and tail and begin unwrapping. For more information on Squid's tool connectors, visit www.ergodyne.com or contact our Crackerjack staff at 800-225-8238.